Hi, I'm Steve Mather. I'm a partner here at HMS Agency, and I'm here to talk to you today about replacement cost coverage on your homeowner's policy. Replacement cost coverage is coverage that will help you rebuild your home the way it is today after a fire, a hurricane, or a tornado. When you buy an insurance policy, your insurance agent and your carrier will help you calculate what the replacement value is for your home. Many people get confused and think the replacement value of their home is the purchase price of their home or the assessed value of their home. That's not the case. They're normally very different numbers. The replacement cost coverage gets your house built the way it is today, back up from the ground up. Also, in the event of a major incident, you can get guaranteed replacement cost coverage. You can purchase higher coverage than on your current policy of 25 to 50 to 100% more, just in case the cost to build your house is more than what's on your policy, due to increased cost of materials, due to shortage of labor, especially in the event of a major hurricane or a tornado. Also, in your homeowner's policy, you have your contents, your belongings. You want to make sure that they're insured for replacement cost coverage as well. When you buy a homeowner's policy, your contents of your house are automatically insured for actual cash value. You don't want that coverage because actual cash value takes into account depreciation. You want to make sure you get all of your stuff back after the event of a loss, just like it is today. So you want to make sure you endorse your homeowner's policy to have full replacement cost coverage for both your contents and your dwelling. To speak with somebody about homeowners insurance and replacement cost coverage, please contact HMS Agency today and speak with one of our representatives. We'd be happy to help you.